parents, it's Mrs. Twinter here, just wanting to explain your grade sheet so that it makes sense for you and you can understand how your student did on their math test. If you look here, it shows the numbers and how many each question was worth. So you'll notice that number 1 was worth 2 points, and you can see that there's an X on number 1. If you flip to Mrs. Twinter's test, you can see that on number 1, it was 562 divided by 100, and Mrs. Twinter went 1, 2, 3 spaces instead of just 1, 2. So I had it set up correctly, but then I put the wrong answer, so I missed 1 point on that page. So wherever there are X's, you can correlate that with the number missed on the test. The overall final grade, all of these things went into factoring the overall grade on the grade card. So this right here would be the grade that goes on the grade card. If you flip over to the back, you'll see that measurement is recorded on quarter 2. So we're still going to practice that. A lot of students had a hard time with converting measurement. You can see that I had a hard time, and there's an E there, but noted that it's not recorded until quarter 2. We will be retesting and doing some check-ins, so if your student didn't do so well, know that we will still practice and hopefully get that grade improved. Please let me know if you have any questions.